Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your business intelligence with Looker easy tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your business intelligence with Looker, start by accessing Looker's website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your Looker account after registration. Familiarize yourself with the Looker dashboard layout. Navigate to the Explore section to begin accessing your data. Select the data source you want to analyze. Use the filtering options to refine your data selection. Explore the various fields available for your data source. Drag and drop the relevant fields into the visualization area. Choose the type of visualization that best represents your data. Adjust the visualization settings to improve clarity and insight. Save your exploration for future reference by clicking on the Save icon. To share your findings, use the Share feature to generate a link. Consider creating a dashboard to compile multiple visualizations. Click on the Dashboards tab to start building your dashboard. Add tiles with your saved explorations to the dashboard. Customize the layout to enhance usability and presentation. Schedule regular email reports to keep stakeholders informed. Monitor the performance of your dashboards through user engagement. Iterate on your analysis by gathering feedback and adjusting accordingly. Leverage Looker's API for advanced automation and integration with other tools. Keep exploring new features and updates offered by Looker to maximize your business intelligence efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.